Hey guys, it's Samantha from Top Dog Tips. I am here to review a couple of products from a company called Eco Dog Care. This one is a shampoo, which is why my chocolate lab Sadie is here in the bathtub. So I'm going to start off with this one. These are healthy, all-natural products, grooming products for your dog. Again, this is their Simply Clean shampoo. These are made with essential oils and botanicals that are going to be soothing to your dog's skin. If maybe he has itchy skin or something like that. They also provide a really natural, fresh scent, which is nice. I like these products because they're as gentle on my skin as they are on hers. I'm not using any harsh chemicals or toxins that are going to affect my hands and my skin while I'm washing her. They're not going to affect her skin, dry her skin out even more, anything like that. They're made in the USA. They're 100% biodegradable. They're animal cruelty free, which I also obviously always look for products with that. This is actually just a little sample size, but when you buy a bottle, you can buy a 16-ounce bottle of this shampoo for $18. So it's a bit more expensive than other grooming shampoos, but again, it's all natural, so you're getting what you pay for. One of the things you might notice as I'm massaging this into Sadie here, a lot of pet parents think that suds mean clean. And that's not true. The sudsier your dog is does not mean he's going to be any cleaner than he is if your soap doesn't suds a lot. This is, you can see there's a little bit of sudsing going on, but these are paraben free, they're toxin free, they're detergent free, and a lot of times those chemicals and those products, those ingredients are the ones that make them, some soaps suds up a lot. It's kind of a trap, I guess, that manufacturers use to get you to think that their product's working really well. If it suds up a lot, it must be cleaning my dog really well, and that's not always the case. Sometimes it is, sometimes it isn't. The other thing you'll notice about these, along with the fact that they don't suds as much, is you're getting this really natural odor. It's a very soft smell, but it's very herbal. You can smell the essential oils. It's not some have like a fake flowery scent or a fake vanilla scent. These don't have any of those artificial ingredients, so they're not made to smell like anything besides what's in them. So you're smelling the essential oils, which is really nice. As you can see, Sadie kind of enjoys her bath, but they use lavender in this. That's kind of a calming smell, so it may help a dog that has a little bit of anxiety in the tub. These are really, really great products for dogs. I am obviously not giving Sadie a full bath right now because I don't want you guys to have to watch that entire process, but I did just want you to see how well they work and how they, even though they don't suds a lot, they really clean your dog very well. So I'm going to rinse this off Sadie, and then I'm going to tell you a little bit about the fresh scent spray that they also make, which they sent me. You can buy the spray separate as well, or you can buy what I received, which is called a starter pack. And the starter pack has a small 4-ounce bottle of each, the shampoo and the fragrance, which is nice because it gives you a chance to test out and try the products without having to buy the full amount. If you have a dog like Sadie, she's very sensitive skin, so that is great that we get to try products before we buy a full bottle, because they may not always work with Sadie. Usually I find that the all-natural products are the ones that we stick with for Sadie because they're the ones that work the best for her and are sensitive enough on her skin. So they have this between bath spray. It's called Simply Fresh. As you can tell, it comes in a little squirt bottle. Very easy to use. Again, this is the little 4-ounce bottle, but if you actually buy the spray, you're going to get an 8-ounce bottle for about $15, $14.95 on the company's website. So again, a little bit more expensive than other grooming products that you're going to find on the market, but still all natural. This is made with all natural ingredients as well, and some of the essential oils that it's made with keep pests away, so that's really nice as well. You can use this in between baths, spray it on your dog. One thing I did forget to mention now that we're talking about fleas with the shampoo is it is compatible with flea treatment. So if you do use a topical treatment or you use essential oils or something like that that's topical for your dog, the shampoo's not going to wash that away, so that's really nice. And then back to the spray, it does repel those pests. It uses things like geranium, lemongrass, peppermint, cedar, and those, if you spray it all over your dog, those scents the pests stay away from naturally, and you don't have to worry about the harsh toxins and chemicals and some of those other products. So this gives your dog a nice fresh scent in between baths. It also is good for his skin and his coat. It's got vitamin E and aloe and avocado in it, so it's also good for his coat. So that's the Simply Fresh. You can get, again, the Simply Fresh for about $15 a bottle or $18 a bottle for the shampoo, or you can get that sample pack I was telling you for $14.50 if you're just thinking about trying them out. These are, again, from Eco Dog Care, and you can find them on their website, and we are going to be having a couple of giveaways coming up, so make sure, of Eco Dog Care products, so make sure you stay tuned for those coming up in a few weeks. About the only thing that I can say negative about these products is the price. They do work really well. The odor is very mild. It's not one of those super potent smells that leaves your dog smelling like the shampoo very strongly, so I like that. And they're great on Sadie's sensitive skin, so we really enjoy these. Check them out if you're interested in these all-natural products from Eco Dog Care. I hope you guys like the review. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, anything that I can help you with about these products, make sure you leave us a comment here. You can find us on Facebook, Twitter, or Google+. I'd be happy to answer any of the questions that you have or address any of your concerns. Thanks, guys. Have a great afternoon.